Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bloxstrap multiple accounts. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to Google and type in Bloxstrap multiple accounts. And then in the Google search results, skip past the videos and head on over to the GitHub page here, Bloxstrap multi-instances integration. Alright, so now we're over at the GitHub page. So the first thing what we need to do is click on where it says code and go ahead and download this zip. And now once you've downloaded this zip, I'll show you how to install it. So if we scroll down here, installation, so you've just grabbed the latest source code and then you want to unzip the downloaded hard drive and place the folder anywhere you like, preferably without spaces in the final path. So they've got a demonstration what this looks like. You don't want to have something like this. See how it's got spaces in between? We don't want that. We want it like this. Then from here, we want to run install.bat to begin the installation process. It's very simple and pretty fast as well. Now, if we go back up here, this is the files inside the downloaded. So once you've downloaded and extracted it, you want to run install.bat as it states here to begin that installation process. And now usage, so launch the game through Bloxstraps and voila, you are all set. And then before launching Roblox, you should see a console window that will notify you of the successful activation. Don't close this window. It will close itself when you close Roblox. And now how this works. So in a nutshell, Roblox uses mutex to manage multiple instances. Their integration creates the same mutex with an identical name passing true as the final parameter. This action makes the calling thread the original owner of the mutex, preventing Roblox from using it. Simple yet effective.